are not getting this person now, you can equally get someone better tomorrow. So you have to consider the fact that you have a beautiful life outside the campus before you settle down to fight over a guy, fight over a lady, or maybe abandon your studies to meet someone, or being moved by emotions, because it's not everybody that has the power to control their emotions. The campus, you see young people who are still learning how to have control over their emotions, over a lot that has to do with them, and that's why it is not advisable that you just get into a relationship, a romantic relationship. It's for the matured, and God requires a vow for romantic relationship. That is why we call for weddings and all that. We call for people who will be witnesses in case if you start getting tired, or maybe something happens, they might need to encourage you, they might need to help you, so that you keep standing to be faithful to that person you are committing to in a romantic relationship. So romantic relationship is not a perfect relationship to be practiced in school. So you can have friends, you can have people that you hang out with, play with, gist with, have fun with, hang out, just do your stuffs in school and feel free and just be fine in a good environment, in the right places, and avoid not going deep into someone you are not ready to commit to, because there is a whole lot beyond the first chemistry we feel. Like, it is natural to feel those chemistry for anyone, but you have to know that it is beyond what you feel for the person. So put yourself under control, and when you feel like maybe you're feeling so strong for someone and you don't know how to go about it, consider talking to a lecturer. That is why they are there. The lecturers are not just in school to teach you books, they are also there to be a guide to you. And I believe some schools, some universities, they have lecturers that care for your welfare, they care for your these things I'm talking about. So you can decide to talk to a lecturer who you consider wise enough, who you maybe relate better with, tell them your struggles emotionally, and if they can help you. So if you're a lady, go to a female lecturer. If you're a guy, go to maybe a male lecturer who can guide you better on how to put your emotions under control and how to distract your mind. You can equally read books, and you can equally make use of the social media to get to know how to get yourself to keep the focus, so that you won't be distracted from what you came for in school. So if you really want to come out with the flying colors in school, you have to consider these things. So when you have the romantic relationship, is a weight on you, is a demand on you to bring sacrifice on the table, and it becomes a weight on you, and it can hinder you from flying. And we always talk about coming out or graduating with flying colors. So if you want to graduate with flying colors, you have to consider the fact that romantic relationship can be suspended. Maybe after school, you go into it with a vow in that name called marriage.